If you try this puff puff recipe, you're going to forget about all other versions you have had in the past. I added just one ingredient and it took this puff puff to a level of deliciousness I have not experienced before. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious coconut puff puff. Let's get right into it. I'll be using 3 cups of flour. I have sifted this. I also used 3 teaspoons of yeast, 3 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of grated nutmeg. I'm going to mix this together. For the ingredients that changed the game for this puff puff, that is coconut. I used 1 medium-sized coconut and I grated half of the coconut into these fine shreds and half I made into milk, which is what I'm using. I used approximately 1 cup of shredded coconut and that's what I added and mixed together. This is the fresh coconut milk and I used 1.5 cups. Of course, I added in bits. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not. I share loads of amazing recipes and useful tips and tricks. Also, if after watching this video and you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Alright, so I'm just trying to show you the consistency after mixing and that's what it looks like. I put it away for like 40 minutes to rise and it has risen. I deflated the butter and I am now putting everything in the oil. In case you're still trying to get a hang of how to scoop your butter into the oil, please check my other puff puff recipes on this channel. Don't forget to fry on low to medium heat so that everything cooks through and you don't end up with puff puff that looks brown on the outside but inside of it is raw. I want you to try this recipe and give me your feedback. I am so confident in the results that you're going to get. You and your loved ones are really going to enjoy it. The slightly rough surface you can see on the puff puff is simply due to the shredded coconuts. And I just found out that puff puff is one of those things that tastes better on the second day because I had some leftover yesterday when I made these, which I tossed in the oven the next morning and it was even sweeter. Oh my gosh, you need to try this recipe. Every ingredient you need to make this recipe, including the measurement, is displayed on the screen. I'll also put them in the description box, so please check it out. So if you want to make more, all you need to do is double the measurement and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching today's video. In case you have not subscribed, please subscribe and don't leave without giving me a thumbs up. Bye bye.